Well, hello, my YouTube folks. Welcome back to February's Draycations, and I'm out on a work trip. So I'm here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Just got to my hotel, Courtyard by Marriott, Fort Alliance on Amador Road. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a double queen with a balcony. Balcony at a courtyard. But hey, so I'll just go ahead and give you guys the little tour of the room. Here we go. All right, so walking into the room, as you can see, there's the lovely bathroom. It's modern. Got some 1975 style wallpaper. Not really nice. It's actually decent design. The bathtub and shower set up pretty cool. I wish it was a detachable head though. Not like the last hotel I was at, we didn't even have these. I tell you, the last hotel I was at, well, it was a doozy. I do like that cutout that they have right there for the towels though. That's pretty neat. Got the alcohol-free moisturizing conditions, makeup removers that I'm gonna put in the suitcase to take a Feb. Like I said, I'm on a work trip, so Feb's not here. It's the typical bathroom. It's nice, modern, and sleek. It looks pretty clean. Apparently this would be a double adjoining room, so if you ever had to go somewhere with your kids, you can adjoin the room here too. Full length mirror, I mean full length. Unless you like 9 feet tall, that should do for you. And that's your closet, so. There you go. And it's double-sided, just in case you couldn't see that, it's double-sided. So one thing I'm not seeing just yet is fridge just yet, but I'm pretty sure it's probably somewhere. Nope. There we have it. It's a mini fridge, and it'll work. I mean, it's big enough. It could fit a bottle of something or two. It ain't staying for me. I'm gonna be here for about 2 weeks, so. But overall, the room is set up pretty decent. I would have liked a king size bed, but I can hop from bed to bed. Balcony view. Let's see, and you can see that. Look at the pool. Doesn't look like no one's enjoying the pool. It's actually pretty warm out here in Texas too right now, so yeah, not bad views. There's like a little walking trail they got back there too. A little park. Okay, I can dig it. Mexican restaurant. So this is room 407 at the Courtyard by Marriott and Fort Alliance. At least we get the sunset every day. Welcome to the Homewood Suites in the Colony, Texas. This is the king bedroom. The king suite, king bedroom suite. Let's see, get these lights turned on. There we go. Boom. Man. So, what I've been noticing with a lot of the hotels now, they have the master switch. So you need to turn on the master switch that turns on everything and turns it off. I seen that overseas in like probably 4 or 5 years ago. So it has a nice little kitchenette in there. We have a dishwasher, sink, a little two burner stove, which is good enough. And then also you got the microwave, full fridge, which is good. You can store your goodies. It's definitely way better than the mini fridge I just had at another hotel. And is that an ice bucket up top? Okay, there you go. let's see what all they have inside. Nothing in there. We got, do we have any pots? Do we have any pots? Well, you got a burner, but oh, you know what? Maybe they put them all inside. There you go. So at least you know that they did run it prior to you showing up. They don't put the stuff up for you, but they leave it in there. Have you a coffee/tea machine? I'll be using it for tea. Got your silverware. I'll probably rerun those silverwares since the other ones was done. Nice little desk. That's gonna be my landing area for all my work stuff. Full length mirror. The decor. Look at it. It's just the decor. It's a nice sit-up, pull-out bed, sofa bed. So if you get in the king suite, you got a pull-out bed, and then you got the little ottomans to go along with it with a nice table. This view out here is you got the pool, I can see that, but it looks like you have down below fire pit. Yep, nice little sitting area. I wonder if that's a rest. It's probably a restaurant where they do the breakfast down there, but I'll go check that out. But as you can see, I mean, it's not a huge view, but it's the Hampton Inn next door. But it's nice. The hotel looks actually, feels like it's new. TV on the wall. Pew. And then this leads to the bathroom. All the essentials that you're gonna need: a hair dryer, bathroom nurse. Let's see if they have any. Nope, no makeup wipes. Can't take the makeup wipes to Fab. And then let's turn the light on. What is that? Okay, so got double lights. So you got the light over the shower. It would have been tight if they had a double shower head or a shower, like a rain head. There you go, ladies, or whoever needs it. You got a step to put your foot up on the shower to shave, which is, you got the shower to your back. You can shave your legs over there. Not bad, not bad. Let's check out the El Closet. That's probably not how you say it, but I mean the decor, I mean the finishings is actually not that, it's not bad. It looks like it's wallpaper, so. But yeah, that's cool, it'll do. I'm gonna be here for about 6 days, so I'll enjoy it all. Is there a safe? Yep, they also got a safe too. Yep, see that safe? Look, they got all the essentials, guys. So if this is something you're gonna be doing for a little trip or so, by all means, get you a king, and you can sleep over there. And if you, the kid can sleep there. All right, well, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to February's Draycations. Peace. Life is like a movie, and I'ma show you things you probably never seen before. The world is yours, let's go and explore. The world is yours, let's go and explore. The world is yours, let's go and explore.